So this video is going to show you how to enter in multiple marks for the BCPM benchmark scores. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are in School View, and we're going to access those assessment entries by going to our Assessment Top tab and then the Student Assessment Side tab. Click on that because it will provide you with one more option, and we want to actually get into the assessment entry. Once we're into the assessment entry window, we would like to select what type of assessment we are going to be entering marks for. And so what we're going to do is click on that magnifying glass, the picker, and we're going to select from here BCPM benchmarks. And this is located on the second screen. Click on the radio button and click OK. What that will do is that will automatically change your form so that it'll put the windows in for the fields that you need to fill in. We are going to select the class that we're going to fill in the marks for, so clicking on this button right here, and I'm going to select homeroom because probably you'll get the list from a teacher which will be connected to a homeroom. So let's go to Division 2 and click OK. What this will do is this will auto-populate all the students in that Division 2 class. So I usually do today's date for the date range here. So if there are more than one assessment records entered into here, they will be displayed here right now. But because this is fairly new, nothing will be here. But if there was, I would select today's date, which then will just display empty cells like you have here. I am going to pretend here that everybody in my Division 2 is in Grade 2, so I can copy down those values. If it's not, then you do have to select each one individually. I'm going to say, though, everybody in this class is in Grade 2, because what I can then do now is I can use my Control D option. And what that does is that auto-populates all the way down and enters in Grade 2 for everybody. I'm going to do the same with my assessment date. I'm going to say that this is going to be November 30th. Use my Control D feature as well to auto-populate so that it enters in November 30th all the way down. And then the next thing is just entering in the raw score. This is the score that you will receive from the teachers into the raw score column. You do not need to enter anything into the context or the subtest. So start entering in these scores. Until it is filled in all the way. The auto save, so you don't need to save beyond that. And once you're done that class, then you can go up to your select icon up here and select the next class.